everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use the AND key on your ASUS TUF A15 laptop keyboard in very simple steps. Let's get started. If you look at your keyboard, you will notice there no separate end button like on a full-size desktop keyboard. But don't worry, it's still there as a function key. Find the FN key on the ASUS TUF A15. It usually on the window bottom row next to the Windows key. Look at the row on the bottom right of your keyboard. You will see that some of them have extra word printed in small text like home and page up and page down. The in function is usually on the right arrow key. To use it, simply hold down the FN key and press the right arrow key. That will work the same as pressing a normal AND key on a desktop keyboard. If you are browsing a long web page, press FN plus right arrow will also scroll you all the way to the bottom. So remember the shortcut FN plus right arrow is equals to AND key, and that's it. Now you know how to use the AND key on your ASUS TUF A15 laptop. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.